Hi, in this video, I will give you detailed view on the reports that the software generate post completion of mocks. So we offer 6 mocks. This particular student has completed all the 6 tests. So now you cannot retake the test. You can generate reports of the same. I'll generate the report of GRE test 3. I'm clicking on the reports. So once I click on the reports, I'll be landing on this particular page where the software has categorized the analysis in 6 parts. The overview, your analysis on the basis of question selection, accuracy, how many questions you have not attempted in given time, solution key, and a time allocation. These are the 6 important parameters that the student needs to evaluate. It's not just about testing. If you have your analysis classified in these 6 categories in precision way, then definitely you will come to know that in which direction you have to improve, how you can improve. We will analyze your reports, we will guide you accordingly. We are on the first category right now, overview. So it's a summary of the report. You can see the test is written on so and so date, so and so time. This was the length of the time, and this much time student has taken to complete the entire test. You have verbal reasoning 2 sections, quantitative reasoning 2 sections, total questions, analytical writing assessment 1, for verbal 12-15, for math 12-15, correct, incorrect, attempted questions. So you have, the person took 7 minutes to write the AWA. Actually, it seems that he has skipped the AWA typing because you need to spend at least 25 minutes to type your entire response. Now, in verbal reasoning section 2, the green color indicates that you have corrected those questions, 7 were incorrect. Same goes with all other sections. He has altogether corrected 34 questions, 17 questions he has incorrected, and 4 questions he has not attempted. So, this is the next part, verbal reasoning, first section, 12 questions, summary. You can see here, this was the question. It was 1 mark. Time that student has taken is 36 seconds. And this particular symbol indicates that this question will require time to reason it, and you have to connect the dots, and then you can get the answer. The answer is not easily gettable. The red chili symbol indicates the difficulty of the question. That question is really tough. Same goes here. And this lollipop symbol represents the question is very easy. So your exam is also divided in 3 parts: easy, intermediate, and advanced questions. So lollipop indicates the easy difficulty level, coffee mug symbol indicates the intermediate difficulty level, and red chili indicates the hard difficulty involved in that particular question. So this is how you can have section wise summary for all the sections, verbal reasoning and math. So, and this particular column says the status. So, whether you corrected it, incorrected it, everything is mentioned here. This status, this symbol represents that you have skipped this question. You have not attempted this question. You took a time, but you failed to attempt this question. You attempted, but it was incorrect. You took 1 minute 13 seconds, it is correct. See, the difficulty level is medium, the difficulty level is easy, the difficulty level here is difficult question, as I mentioned earlier in this video. So this is the overview screen, and software is not only talking about the question number, it also shows the topic from which it is asked. This is the algebra, geometry, arithmetic. In verbal also, it is reading comprehension question, sentence equivalence question, sentence completion question. So This is the overview screen. Overview screen is also same like detailed overview. Then next, question selection. So quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, question selection. Questions attempted is in green. Question attempted but incorrected is in red. Question not attempted is in gray color. It indicates the question number as well. So this is the question selection. So as it shows, correct, incorrect, and unattempted. And software has also classified this in easy, medium, and difficult question, section wise. So these questions for both math and verbal were of easy difficulty level. This is of medium difficulty level, and these questions, only five questions were tough. Okay, and two questions from the easy difficulty level were skipped. One question from the medium difficulty level was skipped. Next, overall question selection. So, total 30 questions were asked, out of which 20 were easy and corrected, 10 were incorrected, 2 were difficult. It is showing the bar graph view of the same category. Section wise question selection. So you can see in one particular section 3 plus 1, 4, 3, and 7 to 9, 10, and 2, 12. So, first section of verbal reasoning contains 12 questions. So, out of 12 questions, 4 were easy. You have attempted all 4, 3 incorrect, 1 corrected. Same goes with medium and difficult questions. Same goes with the quantitative reasoning and verbal reasoning section throughout. So this is the question selection overview. Now software is giving you analysis on accuracy. So shows error at the moment. It's fine. Unattempted questions. So you need to attempt. Software is saying you need to first attempt the questions and then you can review it. So let's go to the solution key part. So this is the question, and this question 3 was incorrected. This is the right answer. Software is giving you detailed explanation why this is the right answer, and the choice that you selected is wrong, why it is wrong. Everything is mentioned. This is the text completion question. This question was corrected, so omitted. So let's see the solution part. You have not attempted this question. It is recommended that you first attempt the unattempted question and then it will generate the solution. So this was second question, which you had the right answer for this particular question. Uh, Question 3 is incorrect. Question 4 incorrect. Question 5, you have selected choice 4. The correct answer for reading comprehension question is choice 1, and this is the reasoning, entire explanation. Why you have to choose choice 1 over choice 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is not just showing that why A is the answer, it is also explaining why B, C, D, E are wrong answers. Question 6 you have corrected. uh, it is providing you the reasoning why it is correct. You have chosen 5 as an answer, which was correct. This is the detailed explanation. So you can have the entire solution key for all the sections. This is quantitative reasoning. First question, answer is right. This is the solution. Second question, answer is wrong. Data comparison. This is the solution. So this is the solution key. And yes, this is a data interpretation question. So software is not showing you the graph here, but it shows you whether your answer is right or wrong, and it is giving you the solution key. So student is requested to take the picture of the data interpretation question graph screen, and then you can verify it with the review screen solution key. Let's talk about the time allocation. So this is the time spent, correct, incorrect, and unattempted questions overall section 2, section 3, 4 and 5. So overall, this amount of time you spend on correct questions, the amount of time that you spend on incorrect questions, the questions that you have not attempted, still the student has spent 3.5 minutes roughly, section wise, section 2, 3, 4, and 5. So green is correct, red is incorrect, and gray is not attempted. So it's about balancing your speed and accuracy. You need to strike a balance between speed and accuracy. Very, very important thing. Quantitative reasoning, 93% accuracy is there. And verbal reasoning, software has calculated just 38% accuracy. So now this will give you topic-wise accuracy. In arithmetic, student is 100% accurate. Same with algebra. For geometry, it is 80%. Data analytics, 86%. For verbal reasoning, also it gives you overall accuracy. Uh, Average time that you have taken to answer one question is 1 minute 31 seconds for verbal, and for math, it is 1 minute and 15 seconds roughly. In some cases, it goes for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So, outstanding analytics. No software is giving you analysis in such a beautiful way. This will not only give you the right direction, but also suggesting you to the areas in which you have to work. And friends, if the analysis is not accurate, simply writing mock will not make much difference to the overall score. You have to, have analysis in such manner. And, when you review this, when you get it reviewed by your teachers, then definitely whatever score you're getting, you can improve your score simply on the basis of analysis by 5 to 6 points. So 6 points is a big difference. It can change the entire tier group of the university in which you are applying. So thank you.